What's up, everybody? I just wanted to create a video to get everybody up to date with what's been going on because I haven't been uploading a lot of content for anybody, and I haven't uploaded any speed art. I haven't really spent too much time making videos. I've been focusing on school and real world problems. But first, first off, I want to thank everybody for subscribing that has subscribed. I think we're up to like 35 subscribers, which isn't a lot, but for me, that seems to be pretty good considering I've only had this channel up for about 2 weeks, maybe going on 3 or 4 now, but I've only been actively pursuing it for about 2 of those weeks. Now, I have a couple announcements for the channel. The first being that it is going to be going through an official name change from Killing Kristoff to Knockout Initiative, as you can see here. I think Killing Kristoff is a cool name, but I don't think it speaks for what my channel does or what we do or what I do. And so I took a day and really sat down, and I wanted to keep the K in my name to keep it unique. And I came up with Knockout Initiative, and the thought process behind that is my initiative is to provide you with an image that will knock you off your feet. So, or sweep you off your feet, not necessarily knock you out, but you know what I mean. I want to provide you with quality, unique work that's, customized by me. Now, if you want to check out the website, it has some information about what I do and the services I provide. It's really basic. I haven't had time to really mess with it, but I'll be uploading my portfolio, a lot of the current or past projects I've been working on, and I'll provide you guys with a form here to contact me if you want anything done. And then, of course, what good's a brand if you don't have something to put it on? So I started a Spreadshirt shop site, and my favorite design is this one, but you guys feel free to check it out, maybe buy a shirt and help support the cause. But yeah, I think this is really cool. Let me know what you guys think, and hopefully you guys like it. Next, I want to address the reason why I'm making this video, which is this. I recently had a request to make a amateur football team a schedule, and this is something I never did before, and mainly I went off with using reference images of like NFL schedule images, football schedule images, soccer schedule, hockey scheduling images, and those were all kind of helpful, but they all seem to like utilize this like helmet, and it's this helmet, and I was looking at how to like make this helmet perfect, and it would require a lot of time and a lot of effort to really make it flawless, like a lot of them were. I would have had to spend real money, and since I'm in college and real world stuff, I don't have time to do that. So I did have to research and find all these teams and stuff for their logos. But anyway, I was on YouTube looking up, possible other videos just to get ideas, and there was literally nothing on YouTube for making a team schedule. So this announcement is going to basically be, if this is something you'd like to learn how to make, let me know in Photoshop, because it was fun, and it's one of the more projects that I'm proud of. The guy that got it from me seems to be really appreciative of it, and he's really into the team that he owns, and I just really like it. I think it speaks a lot for my channel as well. So if this is something you're interested in getting a tutorial on, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to provide you guys with one. I'll probably end up doing one anyway, but if it's requested, I'll probably make one quicker. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. I think it's really cool. Um, I think it's really cool. I think I did a really good job, but yeah, maybe the sponsor area could be uh, made a little bit better. But I mean, as far as everything else goes, this is this is pretty legit. So yeah, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Once again, I want to thank everybody that has subscribed. And when I said 35 subscribers, I meant 43 apparently, because I'm looking at the page now, and that is really exciting. And I hope I can keep providing you guys with some good content in the future, some more speed art, some more tutorials, maybe some more uh, videos like this where I could just talk to you guys a little bit. So let me know what you think, subscribe, and I'll see you later.